Hello, my name is Cecilia Diaz and today we are going to learn colors and numbers. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with colors: yellow, purple, orange, blue, red. Yellow, purple, orange, blue, red. Let's have an activity. I got this paper from homemadepreschool.com and you have to follow the instructions. Number 1, color with yellow. Number 2, purple. Number 3, orange. Number 4, blue. Number 5, red. Here I have an example. You have to color according to the instruction. Today we learn colors, numbers, and follow the instructions. So, enjoy your activity. Bye!